Hello, everyone. We are Cooldragon. Today we are going to unbox and test the new Fluminer L1 miner that just arrived today. Fluminer L1 is an ASIC miner designed for Scrypt algorithm, specifically targeting Dogecoin and Litecoin. It delivers a maximum hash rate of 5.3 GH per second while consuming 1200 watts of power. According to the data from this video, the real-time hash rate of this Fluminer L1 is 6.55 GH per second, and its average hash rate is 5.36 GH per second. The power consumption of this Fluminer L1 is 1139 watts. Cooldragon is a global leader in providing crypto mining products, dedicated to providing our customers with the highest quality mining miners at competitive prices. Please contact us for miners.